What's up guys, it is NPA back with another LEGO video, and this time presenting to you my LEGO AK-47. So this is the LEGO AK-47 which I have promised with you guys for a very long time. Yeah, it's been like from my Chris Vector video, I haven't been uploading anything at all but community post, but I'm here finally with a fully black cool looking AK-47. This AK-47 has all the feature that a real AK would have. This is the wooden stock, which is just solid, nothing special to the stock. It would just slope up here. Okay, so moving up from the stock, we have the grip, which is angled, and it is 4-stud. It is really comfortable and also quite sturdy, so it allows me to hold the entire weight of the gun with the grip. We also have the field strip pin at the bottom of the grip, which obviously isn't present on the real AK, but on my model it helped field stripping the gun on some of the parts of the handguards. Moving up, we have the trigger and the firing pin group. So this gun actually has a firing pin, so when you pull the bolt back, the firing pin goes back, and when I press the trigger, it would send the firing pin like that, and it creates a very satisfying sound like that. And when the safety selector is up, the bolt can't really move all the way back, and the trigger, the bolt doesn't go all the way back, so the firing pin isn't activated. So when you push it down and pull the bolt back all the way, the firing pin will work. So here we have the iron sights, which are fairly nice. Well, actually the front sight isn't really the best looking, but well, I'll say I'm okay with that. Well, on the right side there are very minimal details. Here we have the indents in the mat well. Same thing on this side though. We have the pins here and there, which this one is present on the real gun as some of the pins that go through the gun. This is the trigger, and this is some of the parts of the firing group. Here we have the magazine release, which works really well. And here's the magazine of the AK. It transferred from a 3-stud wide to a 2-stud wide, which actually looks pretty cool. And I know that it is not really the most stable magazine design, but I can say that this thing does look really good, and it does, you know, somewhat makes this AK even better. So the magazine is quite stable, I mean unstable, so I'm gonna just take off for the rest of the video. Here, moving up, we have the handguards, which is 5-stud wide. Here, I can't get the lighting to work here. See how the handguard is 5-stud wide. Moving up, we have the sideway built handguards. Same thing here. This part is 5-stud wide too, and transferred to a 2-stud wide barrel with a really long guy rod, which is achieved by some of these 1x1 plates. The handguards are separatable, which means I kind of like field strip. Iron sights are, you know, adjustable, but not the way that the AK iron sight would work. Well, the handguards looks pretty cool, looks pretty detailed too. The barrel, just a very typical AK style barrel and gas tube, nothing too special. And yeah, I could say this AK-47 really does feel great in your hands, and I'm thinking of doing a tutorial though. Here I have the sling mount I forgot to talk about, but yeah, this gun also does field strip. So how does this gun field strip? So oh boy, the magazine release. So before field stripping, you gotta take the magazine off. Okay, the magazine release sucks. The magazine just so heavy, so you take the magazine off. Then from here you will take out this piece. Then you can take off the dust cover. Well, sadly I couldn't incorporate a guy rod, but well, I guess it is what it is. Take out the safety. Okay, this part's a little bit more complicated. So you flip this lever up and you can lift this block out from the entire gun, just like so. It will come out with the bolt, and from now on you can take out the handguards. So the handguards and the lower receiver are now separated. Here's the handguard, and you can take off the lower handguards, which is a nice feature too. And yep, just the gas tube, and there you go, a full field strip on the AK-47. So after putting it all back together, I can say this AK-47 does look really cool. It is one of the best AK-47 that I have ever made, and I'm considering of making a building guide or so, like a short tutorial for this thing. So if you guys like the video, subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for some of the next build, which I'm gonna release really soon. Thanks for watching, and see you guys next time.